Bobby, quick update as we wait for your cap can to arrive. I still need to create some chassis solder joints. Obviously, this guy finished wiring in power cord. I enlarged the original power entry opening here so we could put a proper strain relief. Imagine that. Finished rebuilding your bias board there. I'm going to remove this extra length. It's the only time guys complain about it. Just looks sloppy. We're going to go through here. I already replaced your decoupling slash dropping resistors. We're going to go through here and replace all of these funky old electrolytic caps. We're going to check all your jacks and the pots, the whole shebang up here in the front control panel. I'll get to the sockets later on as well. This is just a quick update, man. So she is shaping up nicely, and apologies for the artificial light. This is where Lyle and Brad just eat my lunch every time. I rely on natural light coming in through the window to illuminate the surface and give you guys a somewhat pleasing video to look at, despite the dialogue. So that's about it for now. I hope you guys are doing well out there. All right, how do you know when it's time for a new drill bit? Well, the tip looks fine, you might say to yourself. Well, it's not always about the tip. Watch this. This is properly chucked. Now, focus on the tip. See that wobble? It's time to replace it. It's just that simple.